Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to sign out of Zoom on all devices. It's super quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open up your Zoom application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the More button at the bottom right-hand corner. From the More menu, tap on your username at the top. This will open up the My Profile section, where you need to go ahead and scroll all the way down and tap on where you are logged in. Now, this will show you where you are currently logged in with Zoom. All the devices list that you are currently logged into will be displayed. To sign out of all the sessions, tap on Sign Out of All Sessions, and you will then be able to log out of all the devices that you are currently logged into. So if you've lost a device or just want to stay secure, you can go ahead and follow this step. Zoom will immediately sign you out from every other devices where your account was logged in, such as phones, tablets, computer, everything. I hope this quick guide helped you. If it did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tutorials like this one. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.